My name is Daniel, and I am 34 years old. I need to say something I did not say for a long time. I stayed with a woman when my heart was quiet. I thought quiet was love. It was not. I live alone in a small apartment near the bus line. Every morning I wake up at 6, I make coffee. The coffee maker makes a soft sound. I like that sound. It tells me the day has started. I sit at the small table. I look out the window. I see people walk fast. I do not walk fast. I move slow. My days are simple. Work, home, sleep. After work, I often stop at the same store. I buy bread, I buy milk, I buy apples. The man at the counter knows my face. He nods. I nod back. We do not talk. I am used to quiet. Quiet feels safe to me. Her name was Lina. I met her at work. She sat at the desk across from mine. Her desk was always clean. Mine was not. She smiled when she came in. She smiled when she left. Her smile was soft, not loud. I liked that. At first, we talked about small things, the weather, the computer, the broken printer. We did not talk about our hearts. I did not know how to talk about my heart. I was tired inside. I did not know it yet. We started to eat lunch together. We sat on the steps outside. We shared food. She liked rice and eggs. I liked bread and cheese. Sometimes she laughed. Sometimes she was quiet. I felt calm with her. Calm felt good. Calm felt new. After some months, she asked me if I wanted to see a movie. I said yes. I always say yes when I'm not sure. The movie was long. We sat close. Our arms touched. I felt warm. I did not pull away. I did not move closer. I stayed still. We began to spend more time together. She came to my apartment. She washed the cups after coffee. She put the cups in the right place. She brought a plant and put it near the window. The room looked better. I thought my life was better. People at work said we were good together. I nodded. I did not know what good meant. I only knew that my days were easier with her. I slept better. I ate better. She cared for small things. She asked if I was cold. She asked if I was tired. She listened. Inside me, something stayed still. I did not feel pain. I did not feel fire. I felt safe. I told myself that safe was love. I told myself many times. One evening, it rained hard. She came over late. Her hair was wet. Her eyes were tired. We sat on the sofa. The rain was loud. She held my hand. Her hand was warm. She looked at me and waited. I did not know what she waited for. She said my name in a low voice. She asked if I loved her. The rain hit the window again and again. My chest felt heavy. I wanted to say yes. I wanted the easy answer. My mouth stayed closed. I felt a truth rise inside me, slow and clear. I did not love her. I liked her care. I liked her order. I liked how she made life softer. But when I looked deep, my heart was quiet, too quiet. I said I did not know. The words were small. They hurt anyway. She did not cry. She nodded once. She moved her hand away. The rain kept falling. After that night, things changed without loud words. She came less. The plant stayed by the window. The cups stayed clean. But the room felt empty again. I felt the empty more than before. I walked to work alone. I ate lunch alone. I thought about her smile. I missed it. I asked myself if missing meant love. I listened to my body. I listened to my breath. The answer stayed the same. One day, she came to get her things. She moved slow. She folded her scarf. She looked around the room. She said thank you for the time we had. I said thank you too. My voice was steady. My hands were not. When she left, I sat on the floor. I did not cry. I felt heavy and light at the same time. Heavy with truth, light because I stopped lying to myself. Weeks passed. The plant dried. I forgot to water it. I threw it away. I made coffee alone again. The sound was the same. The taste was the same. I was not the same. I learned to sit with quiet and ask it questions. Sometimes quiet is peace. Sometimes quiet is empty. They feel close, but they are not the same. I learned the difference too late for her. I wish her a full heart. I wish her a love that moves and speaks. I stay with my simple days. I stay honest now. At night, when the city is still, I think of love like a light in a room. It should warm you. If it does not, you should not call it love.